Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost Android phone with Google Instant Fix step by step clearly. First, ensure your lost Android phone is powered on and connected to the internet. Open a web browser on your computer or another device. Go to the Google search page. Type Find My Device into the search bar. Click on the link that leads to Google's Find My Device service. Sign in with the Google account linked to your lost phone. Once signed in, you will see a map with the location of your device. If your phone is turned on, its location will appear on the map. You will have options to play a sound, secure the device, or erase it. To locate your phone accurately, click on the Play Sound option. This will make your phone ring, even if it was set to silent. Listen for the sound and follow it to find your device. If you can't find it, you can choose the Secure Device option. This allows you to lock your phone and display a message on the screen. If recovery seems impossible, you can opt to Erase Device. This will delete all data from your phone to protect your personal information. Remember, once you erase the device, you cannot track it anymore. Check your phone periodically in case someone finds it and turns it on. If you recover your phone, remember to change your passwords for security. This process can help ensure you recover your lost Android phone quickly and safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.